Tony Picciuto, Gifford, Ohio. I'm 96 years old and I keep pretty active. I keep moving. I got a hat made that says keep moving. That's one of my mottos, keep moving. Every tool I've had in here, I've been doing this I retired 30 years ago and I had to replace everything about 3 times. I made a lot of birdhouses on this stand here.
This is your bench right here.
Yeah, yeah. Not very neatly arranged, but when I put stuff away, I can't find it, so I don't put stuff away. I made 11,000 crosses on that scroll saw.
11,000 crosses.
Yeah.
How many do you make each week?
I average about 50 a week. I've been doing this for about 5 years. I cut a lot of birdhouses on that, but I kind of getting away from it because I still got my fingers. Last time I used that saw, a piece of wood got stuck in the blade, flew back on me, hit my knuckle. I had to put 5 stitches in it, and the piece of wood went clear back against the wall. I said, it's time to quit. At 96, find a safer project by making crosses. I made bat houses, butterfly houses, wren houses, bluebird houses, wood duck houses, owl houses, and made about everything like that. And there's all my patterns back there.
For all the bird houses and butterfly houses?
Yeah. Okay, next operation I do is I sand all the corners. Then I go back over and wipe the drips and then I just wipe the excess off of it.
Thank you for watching. I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse into my grandfather and his shop. He is my inspiration, not only in woodworking, but in life. He's made over 11,000 of these crosses that have been distributed all over the world by his church, friends, and family. The thing that keeps him going is having a purpose and having a reason to get out of bed every morning, and I think we can all learn from that. I hope you find your purpose, and I hope you find your source of inspiration. Be kind, family first, and keep moving.
You gotta keep moving.